Hey, what's going on, y'all? Welcome to Meat Cranium. Let's do it all together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Barbecue review. Today, I'm doing my favorite steak, my favorite piece of beef, my favorite ever. This is picanha. I've done 3 other picanha videos before, and I'm going to put a link to that playlist down below in the description. I might even put an iCard, say like right here or something. I'll put an iCard for that playlist of the picanha. I bought a picanha at the store, and I was like, what can I do with this? I want to record it. And I thought to myself, I've never done a picanha on a gas grill. I've done one over an open flame like a campfire. I've done one also in my Big Easy, and I also did one where I compared it to the tri-tip. Picanha is not a tri-tip. In fact, I got a video. It's picanha versus tri-tip. Go watch that, and it shows you what to look for so that your butcher does not try to give you a tri-tip if you go and ask for a picanha. Picanha is also called a rump cap. So you can go ask for that. I'll show you exactly what to look for, especially in the video, tri-tip versus picanha. Anyhow, let's get started. This is extremely difficult, what you got to do for a picanha. Very, very technical, culinary. You got to be a culinary technician to make this. So if you're not up to your game, don't even try to make picanha. And by the way, I'm completely kidding you. This is probably the most easiest thing that I can probably make. And this is gonna be a nice, quick, short video. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the picanha. You don't really have to trim it up, but you know, you got a little bit of stuff like this. Just, you can cut it off a little bit if you want to. I'm not really too worried about it. It's nice and cold. See, like that. All right, there you go. That's about all I'm gonna trim off there. Okay, so you have the lines running this way right here. Part over here is called the coração. This is the most tender part and the best part of the picanha right here. It's called coração in Portuguese means heart. So you want to go about 3 fingers wide. You got a nice big thick fat cap here. So gonna go about right here. And that just cuts beautifully, just like that. Look at that. Actually, I might cut a little bit of that off so it bends a little better. Let me see. There you go. That's about all I'm going to cut off right there. Okay, then right here. There. That's about all fat I need to cut off right there. So, just that little bit. All right, 3 fingers. Then this bad boy is Pitmaster Privilege right here. This is for me. Gonna put it onto the spit. This is off of my Tech Sport rotisserie grill. What you wanna do is you wanna bend these pieces like this. So there you go, there's picanha. It's time to get it onto the pit. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing with this one. Okay, so this right here is my Camp Chef FTG600 flat top griddle, but underneath you have a full propane grill. I took the grates off, and I'm gonna be removing these, kind of flipping these over right here. All right, I'm gonna be using these 2 burners right here. Gonna let those burn. Got these flipped over to kind of channel the flames going that way. So I go ahead and turn it. There we go, it's on. There we go. Got those turned on. Now it's time to get the seasoning onto the picanha. Okay, picanha. The only thing you season it with is salt. If you do anything else, I do kosher salt. I have no kosher salt, so I'm gonna use some hard rock Himalayan sea salt. But if you do anything other than salt on here, you are slapping every single Brazilian and Portuguese person right in their grill. And you're telling all their kids are ugly, and you're kicking their puppies. So don't insult us. Only put salt on this. And you don't need to salt the fat either. Just go without salting the fat. You want to salt picanha right before you put it onto the grill. Now let's put it onto the grill. Now that's not going to fit on there, so the coração looks like I fit on there. So I'll just put it like right here. So let it cook right here. All right, that's fine. So there we go, we've got it on the gasser. Just gonna let it cook like that, and I'm gonna flip it over. Gonna let it cook on this side for 1 minute, flip it over, 1 minute, flip it over, 1 minute, until this here gets nice and cooked. We're gonna slice it off, and that's it. This is really, 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 really simple. All right, so I made a slight adjustment. I took the one that was over here, that was right here. I pulled it just all the way over to the side so I could slide this over more. And then I also push this one over to the side a little bit more as well. But I've already flipped it over one time. I'm just gonna go ahead and do it again. Look at that, look how gorgeous that is. Look at that fat, just bubbling up real nice. That is looking beautiful. That's textbook right there. Here, I'll hold it like this right here. Hold it like this for 1 minute. That's gonna be nice. Take that off there. There we go. All right, it's about time to take it off and start slicing. With picanha, it starts looking like this. This is when you want to start slicing it off right here. You can give a little bit more on the other side until I start slicing the stuff off. But yeah, this is looking real good. I like that. And there's a corazon right there. It's getting kind of cooked a little slow, but whatever. Ain't too worried about it. I'll eat it however it is. That stuff's delicious. All right, it's been 1 minute, flipping it, and gonna pull. Oh yeah, it's ready to get sliced. Look at that, it's beautiful. All right, it's time to slice it. Oh yeah. Usually would stand it up, but since I don't got much room, this time I just slice it off. Look at that. Flip it over. See that? That's how you do picanha, y'all. That's how you do it. All you do is salt it again and repeat the process. Repeat the process. 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute until it looks like what it did when I just sliced it off. And that's it. And you do it until you got nothing left. Alright, so I'm about to take it off for the second time. With picanha, once you get the first cut, then the rest of the cuts, it all goes pretty quickly. It's all just kind of getting through the first layer, and then after that it just comes right off, and you end up with some nice, beautiful medium rare like this, which is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. And this is done on a gas grill, y'all. You don't need to have, Weber kettles or do like your rotisseries. You can easily do this right here on your own gasser. Picanha is so good. It's so flavorful. It melts in the mouth. It's my #1 favorite piece of beef. I'm gonna get this other one off, and then I'm gonna end the video there. Look at that, y'all. Oh yeah. Time to slice this off. Then repeat. Salt. Back on the pit. All right, y'all, so there it is. Here, I'll go ahead and take another bite. It is that good. Now, for me to say something is my #1, it's gotta be pretty dang good. Cooked on the outside, nice and rare, medium rare on the inside. That's perfect for me. Simply heaven. Anyhow, like, subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao.